Hi everyone. If you have a hotel question, send me an email, Chris, C-H-R-I-S, at hotelrevenueman.com. There is a strategy that some hoteliers choose to use, and they're non-refundable or non-cancelable rates. So what happens is hotels or lodging properties give guests an opportunity to book early and get a discount. Now, the trade-off is the guest guarantees that they will not cancel their reservation. And the way they guarantee that is it's not possible. At that moment, the hotel gets all that money for the entire reservation no matter what. The trade-off is the guest gets a discount. So if they travel to the same place every year for vacation with their family and they book it way in advance to make sure it's there, then it's usually a pretty safe bet. But sometimes things come up that people can't plan for. They can't get vacation off or holiday off of work, and maybe there's some sort of sickness that comes up, but the guest guarantees the payment for that stay. Now, the way it should work is it should be a small discount. It should be, I like even 5%. Now, a lot of people are going to say, I'm not motivated to book if it's just 5%. But if the people are going to book anyway, I don't want to give away a bunch of free money. Most hotels will give a 10% discount, and that's acceptable. I would advise my clients that that's an okay strategy. Now, the criteria is you want this booked 30 to 60 days out. Now, I like 60 days out because there's more uncertainty, and that's what you're paying for. That's what you're giving them a discount for. If someone's booking a month out, they're probably fairly confident that they're coming. The reason I'm making this video is as I've interacted with some properties, I have one property that allows people to do a non-cancelable rate a week out. Well, a week out, there's not any uncertainty. And it's not a 5 or 10% discount. They're giving a 20% discount. So when they bring me in as a consultant and they go, oh, we're losing so much money, we're behind on revenue from last year, and we can't figure out why, can you help us? That's one of the things that I discovered. I said people a week out already know if they're coming or not. And so you're taking 20% of your revenue and just giving it to them. You're passing up on all of that revenue. Let's look real quick and see what this looks like in real life. I'm on Expedia, which is a leading OTA in the United States. OTA is an online travel agency. It's just one of the websites that sells hotel rooms. I picked a random city, good old New York, and this is a week in May. This is pretty much the start of summer vacation here in America. So just random dates that are way in the future so that if there is a cancelable rate, that I'll be able to get it. About half of these, I started clicking on all of them, about half of them have a non-refundable rate. And so I got down here to the Roosevelt and clicked through. It's a pretty clean example. That's why I chose this one to show you. Now watch this. This room, standard 1 queen bed. It has all the same options. This one is $289 and this is $321. You can see it's for the same room type. So what's going on here? Option 1 is non-refundable. Option 2 is free cancellation. Now in America, a typical hotel cancellation policy is 24 hours, which means if I am scheduled to check in on Friday, standard check-in time, it's going to be like 3 p.m. in the afternoon. That means if I have to cancel because a family member got sick and now we're not going to be able to make it, then by 3 p.m. the day before on Thursday, I have to contact the hotel and say I have to cancel my reservation. They will cancel it. No money will exchange hands. There will be no fees. Now, I've always told, when I was working full-time as a revenue manager for a hotel group, I told them that that is way too generous. And what would happen, there would be busy holiday weekends and people would wait till the last minute to cancel And sometimes there were a lot of cancels, especially from certain OTA channels. And there were so many that we didn't have time to resell the rooms, and they just sat empty when we could have got a lot of money for them. And so I said that 24-hour cancellation policy is too generous to the guest, and it needs to be lengthened. About that same time, I apparently wasn't the only one coming to that conclusion. So major chains, major flag properties in the U.S. started lengthening to 48 and 72 hours, and I really like that. So that way they can make sure that they're going to be able to fill those rooms. They have enough time to fill those rooms if somebody needs to cancel. Well, here, this is about, at this time, about 6 months in advance. So they're giving me an option to cancel. When you do the math here, $289 is 90% of $321. So you're getting a 10% discount. So I like this. The math is clean. You're doing it in advance. You can see here it's non-refundable. And I'm going to guess if we try to click through, it will tell us, warn us that it's non-refundable, so we know what we're getting into. So if you decide to do this, to have a non-refundable rate, it needs to be very clear, because people will get upset, and this is what they'll do. They'll have to cancel, and then the vast majority of the time, they'll lie to you. And they'll say, oh, I got to cancel and I need that money back. You say you chose a non-refundable rate, and it's too late for us to resell the room, so I have to charge you. And they'll say, my wife was in a bad car wreck, and I'm at the hospital all week. You heartless jerk. And then they'll go and leave you a bad review and tell everyone else what terrible people you are, when in reality, most of the time they're not telling the truth, because they all have a very similar story with these 1 in a million occurrences. And then they agreed to a non-refundable rate. That's what the payoff is. They don't know what's going to happen in the future, but for that uncertainty, they're getting a discount. So I'm not a big fan of non-refundable rates, but after you have all of your other rate issues figured out and you're looking for new and creative ways to increase revenue, this is a legitimate strategy. I challenge you to do 5 or 10%. I also challenge you to make it they have to book 60 days before the date of arrival or longer. You can also do 30 days. That is legitimate, but again, I don't like it because I don't think there's enough uncertainty there. So I like 5% and 60 days out, but I would tell my clients if they wanted to, they could do 10% and 30 days out, but not to be more generous than that. When you get your hands on this capital right away when they book too, then if that's the way the channel is set up, you can use that capital. And so that certainly has value too. If you have a question about non-refundable or non-cancelable rates, please reach out to me, Chris, at hotelrevenueman.com. And if you would please hit the red button to subscribe, that's a help to me. And when I make a new video of issues that come up when I'm dealing with my clients, this will be real-world help that will be a benefit to you, and you'll get notified of my new videos. Thanks for your time. Bye.